Good morning, everyone. If you can hear me, just type something on the chat or raise your hand or give give me a thumbs up, happy face, agree. Okay. Good morning, Mukesh. So I'll be taking aesthetics of acting. We still have time. So I'll just begin the discussion by just asking what all have you covered till now? If somebody can just write it down. Just keep writing. Just start interacting. Okay, I'll just put up a quiz. Okay. I start with the quiz. Start responding. Okay. So there are a lot of acting guys which I'm seeing over here. 11. So I take an additional course also. I've not seen you there. So nice to meet you guys over here. Cool. Okay. So if we talk about what you have done method acting. I'm going to take a special on method acting, and I'm going to take a special on. We are going to go a bit deep into it because Unit 2 and Unit 3 have a much deeper. You might have touched it, or have you done the detailed work on it? Have you just touched it, or have you done a detailed work on it? Okay. We are going to go see because this is an open elective and open to everybody. We are going to work on understanding really small concepts, and I aim at you having extreme clarity on those small things that we are so that if anybody in the future asks you about it or you get into a discussion about it, you have a very solid clarity about what we are talking about. Okay. See, this is a theoretical course, Raktima. This is a theoretical course again, but my aim is to clear certain concepts in your head. Okay. And clear it forever. Like it should just stick to your head. That is my aim over here. I'm clearly telling you what my aim is. And for all the other people also who are not from the acting department, we are not going to get into specialized subjects, but we are going to clear every definition that is there. We are going to clear every theoretical concept that is there via this course. Am I clear? Give a hands up or agree. Do you know how to use the agree part? There is a thing called as agree and disagree over here. After this, I'm going to give a small presentation of the rules and regulations, and which I'm going to do every time because there is a certain grace period we have to give students to join in. So Okay. Do you have any questions right now to begin with? I have a couple of minutes before I start, so just if you have any questions, just pop it up over here so that I can answer you in this short time right now. Then we are going to start with rules and regulations. I'm going to give a 5 minutes, 6 minutes grace for people to join in. And then we are going to begin with a very basic question, which you might have covered, but I want to clear it in your head once and for all. So you have no questions. Okay. आ रहे हैं आज का टॉपिक यही है निकिता अरोरा वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑफ व्हाट इज एक्टिंग दैट इज द टॉपिक फॉर टुडे I'm going to give it one lecture because I feel it's a very important thing that has to be covered because most of the acting students across the country where I teach they have done improvisations, they have done, some of them are really good at it also, but when you ask them what acting is, they don't have a clear answer. Correct. It will be discussed and in detail. To begin with, all of you guys can start writing what you think acting is, or maybe we'll get to it. Wait, I'll just so cool. So 12 students are from the acting batch and 17 students are 16 students are not active. Okay. I'm just going to go through the rules and regulations of how I'm going to do this course. And it's going to stay constant till the end of this course. Aesthetics of acting, rules and regulations. Please be on time. I'm going to start my main presentation, say maybe 5 or 6 minutes after the set time, but that doesn't mean, in fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in at say 8:50 normally. And if there is anybody who wants to have a discussion with me, I can have a 10 to 15 minutes discussion on anything that they want to discuss about. That is an extra 10 minutes that I'm going to give. So I'm going to log in at 8:50 or maybe 8:45 also. So anybody who wants to get into a discussion with me regarding anything can come and have. Today I saw many people were there. Okay, okay, ask. Okay, ask. I'm listening to all your answers. Reaction at a certain. असाइनमेंट्स आपको दिए जाएंगे. असाइनमेंट्स का पॉलिसी ये है कि एवरी वीक आई एम गोइंग टू पुट अप वन असाइनमेंट विच विल बी एन इंटरनल असेसमेंट assignment. It will be a short assignment, it will not be a big one. It will take you 10 minutes to do it, mostly objective questions or match questions. Saturday ko hoga. In today's case, maybe tomorrow I'll put it up and it has to be completed within that time. So whatever the last class is there, like tomorrow is the last class of the week, 18th. So I'm going to put up a 10 minutes assignment. Yes, Sucheta. Are you getting my assignment theory? This thing is very important. You have to do this for internal assessment. Don't miss. Can you get my attention now? Are you getting my attention or should I paint it red? Don't just listen, see the slides also. Can you see this? Okay. So please submit your assignments on time. It will happen every last class. Yes, correct. Okay. Thank you. Talking, no talking, too many people, but you can communicate with me on the chat board. No cross talking to anyone, just talk to me so that we don't create a mess on the chat window. Okay? Chat rules, whatever, again, don't ask for the blah blah blah. This is a general chat rule. If you have any doubts and questions, there are two ways to address it. Either you can put it up on the journal which I'm going to make, or You can put up any questions in the time before the class, which is like 10 to 15 minutes before the class when I log in. So anybody who wants to ask any questions with me can ask in the chat window. All sessions are being recorded, as you can see, so it will be available for you to view later. So in case you miss something out, you can go back and see that concept, and even if still you do not understand it or you need to discuss it with me, so you can come 10-15 minutes before the class and discuss with me, or put it up in the journal. Am I clear? Hands up if I'm clear. Awesome. Okay, just a couple of minutes more. Just tell me, what do you personally aim to achieve through this course? You personally, not what's there on the units and all that, of course we will cover, but what personally do you want to, why did you join this course? Why did you take this course up? Your personal, see, I'm going to interact with you a lot, so it's not going to be that I'm speaking and you are listening. I don't like any, no acting class should. I'm going to now switch on my camera. Okay, so now you guys can see me. To become an actor, it's a dream for me to do acting. Okay. Okay, Bhavna says to learn something new. It's a dream to me to become an actor. Do you think you are not an actor already? Maybe you want to say to become a professional actor. Now that's a different thing. To be an actor, correct. Everyone can act, and we do act every day on various things. That's true. Every time we lie or we put up a show in front of our teacher or our beloved or our parents, we are acting. We are trying to create. Okay. Okay. More confidence. Okay. But do realize that this is a theoretical side of it, but acting is mostly practical. You should clearly know that 95% of acting is practical, 5% is theoretical. Why the theoretical part is important? Because anybody who has passed out of an institute is expected to know the theoretical side also. Anybody who has just joined theater and does acting might not know, but anybody who has a degree and who are expected to know the theoretical side of it. Yes, of course. Nikhil, are you from the acting department? It's You're from fine arts. So you should come to my other course, which is called Practice Makes Perfect. There we do practicals. I tell you practical stuff. That course is called Practice Makes Perfect. It has only a few sessions left now, so but still we are going to do a lot of body work in it. So you can get a basic riyaz to help your body for anybody who wants to do theater or. So today we are going to deal with what is acting, and tomorrow we are going to deal with acting on stage versus acting on screen. I want you to be very clear with these two concepts. One, what is acting, and two, what is acting on stage and what is acting in film. या ढूंढ लो वो सेशन को नितिन. इट्स कॉल्ड प्रैक्टिस. आपके कोर्सेज की लिस्ट में होगा भी. मेरे को लिंक लूंग तो ये लोग ही बनाते हैं, तो आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर, बट दैट कोर्स इज कॉल्ड प्रैक्टिस मेक्स परफेक्ट, या मेरे नाम के अगेंस्ट ढूंढ लेना. Okay, strange. So I'll tell the authorities kya hai, because some acting students do come over there, and some students from direction also do attend regularly that course. Okay. So now I'm just going to take screenshots. Maybe I can do that later on also, as it is being. एक second, रुक जाओ. Just a second. Huh? I'm going to take your attendance now because I've been told to do so. Just give me a minute. Screen, just give me a second. I'll till then you can continue to write what you think is acting. I've just got maybe 3 or 4 answers on that. So many people. I'll just start my slide now so that you can. Okay. So we are working on, this is a part of unit 2 acting theories. So we are going to start with the main question. What is acting? Please write down what you think is acting. See, I know. These are. Anupam Kher says that Kishore Nimitz Kapoor, the famous teacher, he says you fake it, you make. He says you fake it, you make it. Uh, okay, in a way it is correct. In a way it is correct, but I do not subscribe to it because it has the element of jhoot or untruth or manipulation. Okay, Nikhil, I do not agree with a definition which has a negative connotation, which is lies. You are not trying to aim towards lies. Nikita, acting chooses us. Acting doesn't choose anyone. It's like people who say the mountains are waiting. I need to go on a holiday. The mountains are not waiting for anyone. They are just there. The mountains don't care whether you come to them or you don't come to them. So when it comes to acting, Nikhil, in a way, Anupam Kher in a way is correct, but I would not like to subscribe to a definition which one doesn't have a path through which. So what does he mean? He means that to learn acting, we have to learn to lie. Does it give you a direction to work, Nikhil? Does it tell you that अगर एक्टिंग सीखनी है तो झूठ बोलने का सीखना है? I don't think, I do not subscribe to that. So then it has a negative connotation. I agree to what he's saying, but I would not use it as a guiding light for my क्या कहते हैं उसे? For my study. And okay, for my study and acting, so I would not subscribe to that wild card through which. Okay, अभी क्या हो रहा है? ध्यान से सुनिए, अभी क्या हो रहा है? आप लोग Bhavya, manipulation, I know, but I would not like to use the word manipulation. Please understand what I'm saying. I'm saying that I would not call it manipulation. It has a negative connotation. Why do you want to get into a profession or get into a style of thing? When you start working on it, you आप use करते हो word manipulate. Art, yes. Do you think art is manipulation? Art is not manipulation. Art is above all these petty things. Way of living 100 lives. Okay. कोई आपको अच्छा लगेगा if you are an actor, somebody say अरे manipulator है, ये लोगों को manipulate करता है. नहीं, आप manipulation नहीं करते हो. आप it is got to do something with truth, not manipulation. Correct. Now, Nikhil, we are going to get to this. I agree with what you are saying, but again, like I said, I have problem with the word jhoot. Pretending is a good way to start, but then you don't end up pretending. Okay, Kritika. Imagination plays a big role. Okay, so we move ahead. आप लोगों ने now I'm going to go through certain definitions of acting. Now, okay, what do the dictionaries say? Okay, then we are going to go into definitions or ideas about what do the greats who have been great teachers of acting they say about acting. Okay, and then we are going to come back to your definitions. आप लोग जो definitions दे रहे हैं जिसमें ये बोल रहे हैं कि you heard somebody that it's manipulation. I would not subscribe to manipulation or to jhoot. Although I understand what the person is saying, but my sheer thing is that art is higher than. Do you think Picasso was manipulating people by his art? Do you think Hussein manipulates people with his art? Do you think what Nasiruddin Shah's great works or anybody's great works, Irfan Khan's great works, do you think those were manipulations? Do you think they manipulated? Answer this question. It is very important. If you think, do you think great actors are manipulating you? Manipulating is reducing your art to correct. So that negates that definition of acting. Somebody said it's about moral obligation. Okay, we'll come to moral obligations. ठीक है वो. So now I'm going to go through three definitions from three big dictionaries: Webster, Oxford, and Britannica. Wikipedia Britannica. So, but please understand these are dictionary definitions. So we are going to get to that. Okay, Webster says acting is the art or practice of representing a character on a stage or before camera. Okay, these are dictionaries of English language. These are not dictionaries of acting or acting theory or acting teaching. But ठीक है, ये भी एक डेफिनेशन है. कई लोग बोलते हैं, आप में से भी अभी किसी ने कैरेक्टर का रेफरेंस किया था, मैं देखता हूँ किसने किया था, किसी ने तो किया था. ये देखिए आयुष ने किया है. ओके, आयुष ने किया है और भी शुरू में किसी ने किया था, अभी मैं और ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहता. सो दिस इज व्हाट वेबस्टर सेज. ओके, सो दीज डेफिनेशंस आस्था. ओके, वो काफी ऊपर होगा, मैं थोड़ा सा ऊपर गया था, ज्यादा ऊपर. ऑक्सफोर्ड सेज again more or less it's the same thing: the art or occupation of performing fictional roles in plays for television. Like she studied acting in New York. Example, it is basically the same thing saying fictional roles, character. झूठ के बजाय I think the word fiction would be a better representation rather than saying झूठ बोलना. These are sensational statements. These are not statements with which you base an acting theory, as we are going to do as we go along. Britannica says It is a performing art. Now, can you tell me what a performing art is? Again, it talks about fictional characters, but it gives you an outline of how it's done by saying in which movements, gestures, intonations. Very British, very British. But ठीक है. For stage, motion picture और television, आजकल तो voice, web series, अब कितने लिखोगे, मतलब Britannica will just keep YouTube videos. आप लोग जो बात कर रहे हो ना, जैसे अभी निखिल ने भी बोला putting your foot, these are vague statements. I need a definition by which I can define a whole acting theory, a way of approaching it. Now, if I say, okay, acting is putting your foot in someone else's shoes, now somebody will ask, how? What are the steps? Do I get a way of working, understanding this definition? These are all correct definitions. There's nothing wrong with it, but we need something concrete which we are going to get through one definition, which I consider after so many years of teaching, learning, acting, clearing auditions, doing films, doing this, doing that, that that definition holds true under any slack that it faces. Dictionary is just words, जैसा कि मैं पहले बोल रहा था. Now let us correct Nikhil, but again, now let us get into what great people are saying. Great teachers of acting, those who have dedicated their whole life to theater and acting education. Let's get to what those people have to say, because it is very important to derive wisdom. See, there are three things that I generally talk about. First is information. Okay, Vardhan. More or less, it's the same thing. It's just dictionary definition of acting. More or less, you people, some people have gone deeper. बीच में एक बंदे ने they hit the nail also. Please remind me who that person was, because there are 52 people. I'm not able to track. So first thing that you need to, first thing जो होती है, it is information. Second thing is, क्या कर रहा हूँ? Okay, and the third thing is, okay, you have to turn information into knowledge and knowledge into wisdom. Wisdom turn करने में बहुत time लगता है दोस्तों. So it's not going to happen. It comes with a lot of practice. So जिन लोगों की बात मैं अभी शुरू करने वाला हूं, जिन लोगों की का रेफरेंस मैं अभी देने वाला हूं, these are people with this thing, which is wisdom. Okay. So we start with Stanislavski. As simple as that. In the language of an actor, to know is synonymous with to feel. Okay. So we can say acting is about feeling, broadly speaking. Although even if you study Stanislavski's work across his whole career, which is mostly from 1900 to 1930, he has continuously changed his stance on acting education. The books that we see uh, that are famous, which are called The Actor Prepares, Building a Role, these books are based on his earlier works, most of which he denied later on in his life. So जिस चीज के लिए हम स्टैनिस्लॉवस्की को जानते हैं उनकी किताबों के थ्रू, later on in his life he sort of moved away from that and said that is not the thing, but we know him because of these books. So this definition is based on his earlier works. That to act is to feel, in a broad sense of what he was saying. Am I clear with this? Should I move to the next person? Raise your hands if I should. Okay. To act is to feel, whatever, in short, what Stanislavski said. Now we come to Stella Adler from the American. वो ये लोग कौन है, इनको हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे when we study about development of acting theories around the world. अभी बस इनका नाम, अगर आप में इंटरेस्ट है तो आप खुद भी इनके ऊपर रिसर्च कर सकते हो. So she says acting is everything but words. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? फटाफट. Even one or two people tell me that please be involved in the class. Fatafat, what do you think? Even before I say, you should put your interpretation. Acting is everything but words. आधे टाइम आप एक्टिंग जो देखते हो, people are just learning the lines and speaking the lines. वो स्क्रिप्ट को निगल लेते हैं और फिर कैमरे के आगे उल्टी कर देते हैं उसकी. That is not acting. Acting is that stuff that is you are not using the right term, Nikhil. We'll get to the right term. There is one guy who gave a precise and exact definition of acting जिसके थ्रू हम पूरी acting theory निकाल सकते हैं. The stuff, sir, that लिख दिया मैंने, but it's the stuff that is beyond words according to Stella Adler. इन लोगों के नाम से आप familiar हो जाइए क्योंकि ये लोगों के बारे में हम डीप में स्टडी करने वाले हैं आगे. बीच में मेरा कुछ कमेंट मिस हो गया किसी का. Showing every knowledge, emotion, dialogues. Okay. I'll have to clear all those things out from your head because these are very vague things. It's very personal. I think we try to follow general definition. I'm not going to give you a general definition in the end. I'm going to give you a very specific definition जिसके थ्रू पूरी एक्टिंग थियोरी निकल के आती है, आपकी पूरी ट्रेनिंग उसके थ्रू निकल के आती है और सब कुछ निकल के आती है. Now, Lee Strasberg, he is called the father of method acting. He says acting is most. पढ़ लो इसको, मैं जो लिखा हुआ है वो पढ़ने का कोई मतलब नहीं होता because all of you can read also. Again, this is not a clear definition, but these are his views on what acting is. It's a personal craft. It involves words don't matter, Astha. If you are from acting department, you are the most brilliant of acting comes in moments when there are no words. आपकी ट्रेनिंग होगी, आपको ट्रेन किया जाएगा, उसके बाद आपको रियलाइज होगा, हाँ, correct. That is a good question to ask. I'll come to that. I need to ignite these things inside you so that you start asking questions. आप लोगों की जो डेफिनेशंस एक्टिंग को लेके या जो आइडिया आपको एक्टिंग को लेके है, वो वही आइडिया है जो बाहर हर आदमी को एक्टिंग को लेके है. ओके. what is your idea on a nuclear scientist? Okay, you might be having certain idea about a nuclear scientist, all of you. मैं पूछूंगा न्यूक्लियर साइंटिस्ट क्या होता है, तो आप बोलोगे न्यूक्लियर साइंटिस्ट ये होता है, वो होता है. बट आप अगर किसी न्यूक्लियर साइंटिस्ट से पूछोगे कि वो क्या होता है, दैट विल बी अ टोटली डिफरेंट थिंग. एंड जब दो न्यूक्लियर साइंटिस्ट उसको डिस्कस करेंगे तो इट विल बी अ टोटली डिस्कस डिफरेंट थिंग. सो अभी आप लोग जो अपने सेमेस्टर के बिगिनिंग में ये बोल रहे हो, तो यू आर टॉकिंग लाइक अ लेमैन. Okay, you have to get deeper into your subject. You have to understand what it is, and it has to become part because you want to become professional in it. And to become professional is that somebody will pay you a good amount of money for your skill. Right now, is anybody paying you? You are paying for learning, which is somebody else's skill. Later on, once you are through with the course, somebody else is going to pay you for your skill which you have gained. David Mamet, the famous, he's not really an acting teacher, but he's a very, very famous, he has made acting very simple. And he says he was a failed actor. That is why he made acting very simple. So his definition is acting is about finding your mark, looking the other person in the eye and telling the truth. So now this is very much against what Mr. Anupam Kher says. So instead of lies, it is the pursuit of truth. And another great person we are going to discuss right now is Michael Chekhov. Who these people are, अभी उसमें मत जाइए, मैं इनके बारे में डिटेल में इनके पूरी लाइफ के काम के बारे में आपको बताऊंगा. This is what this course is about. So he says acting is never doing, it's always happening. इसका क्या मतलब है? फटाफट लिखिए. Does it happen on its own or do some people make it happen? Do actors do it or do actors make it happen? मतलब Asa, I didn't understand. QUES. Okay. Repeat. Is my voice clear? Okay. Doing is artificial. Happening is natural. Okay. I can take you okay on this comment, Nikhil, but my understanding of this statement would be very different from your understanding of this statement. We'll get to that. So my question was, Michael Chekhov, a person who himself was a Oscar nominated actor in 1945 and teacher of Marilyn Monroe and Anthony Quinn and so many other great actors, he says acting is never doing, it's happening. Again, it's a vague definition. One with the character. I am going to remove the idea of character from acting as a beginning treatment for you to learn acting. I'm going to remove the word character from the definition of acting. It's not me who has done it, it is one of the great teachers of acting who has done it. And what word he has used, it includes character, but doesn't talk about it specifically. So, Banita, you are talking about that it is about luck. So please remember one thing, any technique or craft of acting, why do you become a professional? Because you do not rely on luck. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आप शूटिंग पे जाएं और बोलें आज मेरा मूड नहीं है एक्टिंग करने के लिए. आपको स्टेज पे जाना है, 6:30 बजे शो है, 6:30 पे आपका पहला सीन है जिसमें आपको एक्ट करना है. So it cannot depend on luck. Inspiration every normal person can do. Okay. Yes, Bhavya, you are getting to it. You are getting to it. Ask questions. Good stuff. Good stuff is happening in this class. अंकित, ये क्वेश्चन वो क्वेश्चंस हैं जो क्लास के एंड में पूछे जाते हैं. अभी क्लास में ध्यान दो. I've got your question. I'll try to do that. I'll try to work on it. I'll talk to the authorities for that, or if necessary, I'll also make it and send it to you. But ये वो questions हैं जो क्लास से पहले और क्लास के बाद में पूछे जाते हैं. अभी जो स्लाइड ऊपर है उस पर ध्यान दीजिए, because it's a very short class, it's a very concentrated class. I want all your attention in what it should appear effortless on say. Correct, Bhavya. This is getting close. Nikhil is getting close. What I'm acting is to be. Okay, Nikhil. आ रहे हो बट अभी भी हाँ ठीक है. Okay, I made a note of what you're saying. It's there. I cannot totally negate it. Now I'm going to come to the definition of acting, which I feel is the best definition of thing that you have to imbibe in yourself. and through which we can derive a whole acting theory, and which also includes the wisdom of all the people जो हमने ऊपर mention किए हैं. So we are going to talk about a acting teacher called as Sanford Meisner. He has come up with his. Okay, so I'm going to come up with the definition. आप सब लोगों का कहना एकदम सही, एकदम perfect. So now we get down to is acting is behaving truthfully under imaginary circumstances. This is, अब इसमें कैरेक्टर भी आ गया है, इसमें बियॉन्ड वर्ड्स भी आ गया है. When we talk about behaving, he is not talking about talking or words. Using the word behaving, इसमें truthfully आ गया है, इसमें circumstances आ गए हैं, इसमें imaginary word आ गया है, because everything that an artist does is under imaginary circumstances only. इसमें characterization भी आ गया है, because again if you are playing a part you have to behave truthfully under the imaginary circumstances of. तो मुझे एक बात बताइए, इस डेफिनेशन की को इंक्लूड करने के लिए मैं ये बात बोलता हूं कि if you are playing, there is a difference between what he is saying and what you are thinking. You are saying that when I play Hamlet from Hamlet, do I become that character? Yes or no? Raise your hands. Yes or no? Or I'll start a poll. Wait. When I, very important question. Okay. So when I play a character, do I become it? Yes. No कौन बोला? दो तीन. Okay. Two minds पे. See, various acting schools or various acting techniques have different answer to this question. उसका आंसर इस डेफिनेशन में इंक्लूडेड है. Say when I play a character, do I become it? इसका जवाब मैं आपको नसीरुद्दीन शाह के एक एक्सपीरियंस से बताना चाहता हूं. लाइक नसीरुद्दीन शाह से एक बार किसी ने पूछा था, दो सवाल पूछे थे, दो दो उनके उनके मैं जवाब देना चाहता हूं, बिकॉज ही हैड टॉट अस, सो वी हैव very intimate knowledge of his ways of working and stuff. So उनसे एक बार किसी ने पूछा था कि जब आप कोई कैरेक्टर प्ले करते हो तो आप क्या उस कैरेक्टर की साइकोलॉजी में घुस जाते हो, उसको अच्छे से समझ के करते हो? सो हिज आंसर वाज, मैं आज तक अपनी साइकोलॉजी नहीं समझ पाया तो मैं किसी और की साइकोलॉजी क्या समझूंगा. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ हिज? हाँ संजय, we'll get to that. ओके, हिज आंसर वाज, मैं आज तक अपनी साइकोलॉजी नहीं समझा तो मैं किसी और की साइकोलॉजी क्या समझूंगा. दिस कम्स फ्रॉम अ मैन हु इज कंसिडर्ड अ ग्रेट एक्टर. And another answer that he gave was regarding his rendition of Mirza Ghalib in the serial Mirza Ghalib. I don't know how many people have seen this serial. It used to be there in the 80s and 90s, and I don't know. It was a मैं खुद छोटा था तो आप लोग तो पैदा भी नहीं होंगे शायद. So anyways, so किसी ने उनसे पूछा कि जब आपने मिर्जा गालिब प्ले किया था तो आपने क्या मिर्जा गालिब को स्टडी किया था? मिर्जा गालिब कैसे चलते थे, कैसे बोलते थे, कैसे वो करते थे, क्या आपने स्टडी किया था? तो हिज आंसर वाज कि आपने मिर्जा गालिब को चलते बैठते उठते देखा है क्या? तो द अदर पर्सन सेड, नहीं देखा मैंने. तो उन्होंने बोला तो फिर मैं हूं मिर्जा गालिब. खत्म. सो व्हाट ही वाज ट्राइंग टू से, we'll get to that. आप see, characterization is a very advanced subject. कैरेक्टराइजेशन से पहले बहुत सारी चीजें आपको अपने खुद के अंदर चेंज करनी होती हैं. How do you know that Deepika understand a TV interview के basis पे? No, unless you see an actor work on the role, rehearse, you will not know. Don't go by what is there in by what media says or what things are coming. You don't know what how an actor is working on a role. Yeah, okay. I don't believe such things when they come out of. To be under depression, you have to work with like someone like Daniel Day-Lewis. How many of you have heard the name Daniel Day-Lewis? Just raise your hands. Okay. And I do not subscribe to the ways of working of Daniel Day-Lewis because वो अलग चीज है. उसके लिए आपको एक it is like swimming like Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps has a body which is designed for being a swimmer. Are you aware of this fact? So, anyways, correct. So, we are going to work on this definition which says that acting is behaving. Please memorize this and do some chintan manan on this. Acting is truthful behavior under imaginary circumstances. Now, this has the following four concepts: truthful behavior, imaginary circumstances. आपको मैं एक assignment दे रहा हूँ. Okay, I'm going to give you an assignment. Please meditate on the meanings of this definition by saying, when I say acting is, first of all, we are talking about truthful. Second, we are talking about behavior. Third, we are talking about imaginary. And fourth, we are talking about circumstances. When we shred these four concepts out, we can come up with a whole acting theory of how Sanford Meisner devised his acting theory. It is one of the acting theories, very important. So, ये questions का जवाब आपको अपने आप देना है. What is behavior? What is truthful behavior? Do not answer it right now. Consider this as homework. We are going to start discussing this tomorrow at 8:45. Okay? When I log in. It's not compulsory for you to come at 8:45, but anyone who comes can be part of this discussion. What are circumstances? And how do we achieve truthful behavior in imaginary circumstances? Okay. Now we come to what about Indian tradition? Acting को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? फटाफट बताओ. We have 5 minutes left. अभिनय, 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 अभिनय. Now see, now we are going to get to how different the East is from the West. So, but is abhinay acting? What does abhinay mean? हम लोग कहते हैं because we see this is the हाँ नाट्य कला is theater, ठीक है, वो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Theater arts, kala is art, natya is stage arts. Maybe Natya Kala means performing arts. Please understand, performing arts is something which has a connect with the audience. Camera acting is not a performing art. We'll get to that later on. So, is Abhinay acting? Now, please understand, हम लोग दो languages के बीच में जब बात करते हैं तो हम उसको acting अभिनय ऐसे नहीं होता है. The Hindi language or the Sanskrit language is a very complicated language. It is much complicated than English. Or you can say it is much simpler, it gives a deeper meaning. So Abhinay has got two parts. Okay. Which would not subscribe to these definitions of acting. That is why Natya Shastra is a very, very important text. It is a text which is close to your culture. So I would say Abhinay is not acting in the sense of the West. Confused? How many of you are confused? Raise your hands. 3 more. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. There is confusion. Confusion is good. I like confusion. Confusion means you can do two things about confusion. Either you can fall for it and forget it and be confused all your life, or अभी लिखा तो है मैंने सामने, निखिल, निकिता, sorry. Is abhinay equal to acting? It's a I would say it's a translation. But translation mein there is a lot of loss. So now we get to abhinay. What is abhinay? Abhi means towards, and ni or neya is to carry. अगर आप संस्कृत में अभिनय को ब्रेकअप करोगे तो उसका एक्चुअल मीनिंग इन इंग्लिश इज नॉट एक्टिंग, इट मीन्स टू कैरी टूवर्ड्स. अभिनय इज एक्टिंग एज अ डायरेक्ट ट्रांसलेशन फ्रॉम इंग्लिश टू हिंदी और संस्कृत, बट अभिनय का जो मीनिंग है दैट इज टू कैरी टूवर्ड्स. ओके, to carry the audience towards what is my next question. पहली बात तो किसको कैरी करना है. कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं होता निखिल. अगर आपने नाट्यशास्त्र पढ़ा है तो इट इज नेवर अ कॉन्सेप्ट. दे डू नॉट. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल थिंग व्हेन दे से any, okay, you watch something, you watch a film or you watch theater or you watch a good performance. Are you doing it to understand intellectually under the concept? Why do you watch a film? Why do you watch entertainment? क्यों देखते हो? Forget as students of acting. Forget as students of acting. Acting करने से पहले भी आप टीवी क्यों देखते थे? Why do you watch? Why are people watching television? Why are people watching? What is entertainment? Shivam, what is entertainment? The answer, there is only one theory which gives answer to that, and that is in the Natya Shastra. My question still remains. पास टाइम के लिए नहीं करते हो. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, शिवम पास टाइम के लिए नहीं करता है. आप जाइए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. I'm just continuing this for another 2-3 minutes. My thing is usually over. I'm just going to give the last topic to carry the audience towards Ras Ananda. What is Ras Ananda is a question that I leave you hanging with, and we are going to deal it with unit 3 when we get to Natya Shastra. But please understand that acting is truthful behavior under imaginary circumstances. There is just one flaw in this definition, which is it does not include the audience. Maybe in the word truthful it does, but it does not include the audience in that sense. Truthful to whom? To the audience, obviously. Okay, so I'm done with the lecture. If anybody has questions, I'll be there for another 5 minutes so people can ask me whatever. So I'm done with today's and I leave it at acting is. So anybody has a question, I'm here for a couple of minutes more. So thank you. I'll keep repeating this again and again and again as to what acting is. And I'm going to shut off the recording now. Thank you.